All right, Deckhand Steve, go ahead and start your boat.
Captain Trav, nothing's happening. Why
Well-
won't my boat start?
Well, it could be one of three reasons.
Reason number one, the boat won't start. The battery. There's a switch on all the boats. Make sure it's on. If you have two batteries, make sure it's on to the all button. Captain Travis, that's my favorite sound about being a member at the Freedom Boat Club. It starts every time. Captain Trav, my boat won't start.
Reason number two why your boat won't start. Your boat's not in neutral.
Oh, look at that.
Yes, sir. Now that it's in neutral, go ahead and try to start it up.
There it is again. My favorite sound with Freedom Boat Club. Starts every time.
Deckhand Steve, your boat won't start again?
Trav, I don't know what's happening. I got no power to the boat. What's happening?
Oh, I
There's no
think your
noise.
kill switch is off.
Look at that. Put that back on. Click that back to run. There's the noise. There it is. My favorite sound. Starts every time.